So there's two types of people in the world. You either trust people or you don't trust people. And look, I get it. We've all been hurt. We've all been betrayed in life. Truly, we have. But the point is this: you can either then walk around with this filter in your mind that says, I can't trust anybody, and you have to prove to me that I should trust you. Or you're the type of person who trusts people, and you have to prove to me why I shouldn't trust you. Listen, that little change will absolutely shift your entire business, your entire life, your relationships. We've all met people like that, where they say basically, dare me to trust you. Tell me why I should trust you. You need to give me undeniable evidence on why I should give you the gift of trust. We've all met those types of people. Maybe you are that type of person. I get it. Listen, I've been hurt before. I used to have walls around my heart. And listen, when you have walls around your heart, no one can hurt you, but nobody can help you either. As a result, you are doing life and business alone. And you may want that. But the other type of person says, I give you the gift of trust. Prove to me why I shouldn't trust you. Listen, I like those type of people. Those type of people have unleashed greatness in me. And they've unleashed greatness in you. Those types of people. Look, I'm on my way to go work out with my buddies right now. And here's the thing. I trust them. I absolutely trust that they're going to be there working out. I've been out of the country for the last week. Unbelievable family vacation all across Canada, touring Canada. Some beautiful, beautiful parts of Canada. It was amazing. I'm still thinking about it. But here's the crazy thing. I know that my workout buddies are going to be in that basement working out on a Saturday morning at 6:51 a.m. How do I know that? Because I trust them. Because I can leave life for an entire week in Ohio and come back, and they are still being consistent. They're still being faithful. They're still being disciplined. Why? Because they have a big goal. Their big goal is physical health. That's what they're committed to. They know that, listen, if they don't work out for any length of time, they're going to lose it. And as a result, we're all going to engage in some acute pain here in just a little bit. So this is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire today. Tag somebody. Share this post with someone who you trust. Share this post with somebody who you say, you know what, they're that type of person who gives me the gift of trust before I even had to prove it. That is a truly amazing person. Let's all try to aspire to that type of person. Because listen, if we had a society of those people, we'd be very different. And I get it. There might be some haters who say, well, you're going to get burned, you're going to get taken advantage of. I get it. But what's the alternative? The alternative is isolation. The alternative is to do life solo. And that may be your style. I prefer a different style. Talk to you very soon.